Mars Raises, YouTuber. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe. And click the notification bell for you will be updated on my next video. Let's go mathematics.
Least common, multiple. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and any counting number. Just like common factors, two or more numbers also have common multiples. The LCM is the least common multiple of two or more numbers. To find the LCM of the given numbers, we can use the listing method and continuous division. Let's have an example using listing method. Find the LCM of 6 and 8.
To find the LCM of 6 and 8 using listing method. So, the multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So we need to stop this first. Next, we get the multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So, as we can see, they have their common multiples of 6 and 8. We can see here the number 24. So, they have common multiples. So, this is 24 is the least common multiple of 6 and 8. We need to find the LCM of 6 and 8 using continuous division or ladder method. So, in order to get the LCM of 6 and 8 using ladder method or continuous divisions, we need to arrange the given numbers horizontally. So, write the number horizontally. And then, we use ladder. Then, we need to write the common prime divisor at the left hand side. So, the common prime divisor of 6 and 8 is 2. So, we need to write the quotients below the number. Here, we need to write the quotients here. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, as we can see, 3 and 4, we cannot find their common prime divisor. So, since there is no more common divisor for 3 and 4, we have 2 as the only common divisor of 6 and 8. So, to solve for the LCM, we need to multiply the common divisor 2 by the quotients 3 and 4. So, multiply 2 times 3 times 4. So, we need to multiply the common divisor, which is 2, to the quotients 3 and 4. So, 2 times 3, 6 times 4 is 24. So, therefore, the least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24.
Find the LCM of 10, 15, and 8.
Find the LCM of 10, 15, and 8. So, first thing we do, we need to find the LCM using listing method. So, the multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So we need to stop this first. And the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. So we need to stop this first. The multiples of 8 equals 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, 112, and 120. So we need to stop this. So as we can see in the three numbers, 10, 15, and 8, so we need to find the LCM. So as we can see, number 120, their LCM. So 120 is their LCM. So the LCM of 10, 15, and 8 is 120. We need to find the LCM of 10, 15, and 8 using continuous division or ladder method. So we need to arrange the given numbers horizontally. So 10, 15, and 8. So make a ladder. So we need to write the common prime divisor at the left hand side. So their common prime divisor need number 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 15 divided by 2 cannot be, so we need to write 15 here. So bring down the 15. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Next, we need to repeat the process until there is no common prime divisor. So make it a ladder again. So next, think a number that their common prime divisor. So their common prime divisor is 5. Number 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 4 divided by 5 cannot be, so we need to bring down the number 4. So as we can see, 1, 3, and 4, there is common prime divisor for this 3 number. The common prime divisor is, so we have 3 here, so 3. So 1 divided by 3 cannot be, we need to bring down 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 4 divided by 3 cannot be, so we need to bring down 4. So as we can see this number, they have their common prime divisor, this number 4. So we make it another ladder. So common prime divisor of 4 is 4. So 1 divided by 4 cannot be, so we need to bring down 1. 1 divided by 4 cannot be, so we need to bring down 1 here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So as we can see, 1 and 1, we cannot find their common prime divisor. So we need to what? We need to multiply all the common divisors. So here are the common divisor. So we need to multiply 2 times 5 times 3 times 4 equals, so 2 times 5 equals 10 times 3, 30. 30 times 4 equals 120. 120. So the LCM of 10, 15, and 8 is 120.